Hello, I'm CG again. This is a quick video to show how to make a balloon test in Blender. In this tutorial, we can add text. First, we can go to Add and Add Text. Next, close up to view it, and then we can select the text and go to Edit Mode. We can use backspace to delete it, and then we can start to type capital letter of text. Next, we can go back to Object Mode, and then we can go to Object Data Properties, and then go to Geometry. We can use Extrude to make the thickness. Now we can select the text and use right click and go to Convert it to Merge. And then we can go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Remesh over here. And then go to Fossil, we can keep the fossil setting and then go to set the fossil size. I will use 0.008. And then we can apply the Remesh Modifier. Next, we can select the text and go to Sculpt Mode. And then we can switch to Clothes Filter and make sure that the filter is Inflate. And then click and drag to make Inflate Effects. After doing this, we can go back to Object Mode, and then actually we can add material. For example, we can press shortcut Z to switch to Material Preview. Next, we can go to Material Properties and add a new material. I will pick pink color and change to metallic and change the roughness to make it gloss. So this is how we can make balloon tests in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.